Hi and welcome on board Sequest. Sequest has been lovingly cared for and has only had just 2 owners since build. The current owner having sailed just around the Atlantic circuit recently, and before his trip I did many updates. As we just look at the bow, one nice update he added was the electric Genoa for there to winching in, as well as a brand new 2022 Genoa sail. On deck she has the twin whisker poles, which makes it excellent for going downwind. As with all Discoveries, she's got the Solent rig, so your self-tacker jib, as well as the forward Genoa, and she has a storm jib if needed and a cruising chute. On the main, that was redone in 2020, as well as the standing rigging, just before the trip across the Atlantic and back. As we make our way down towards the stern, just having a look at the teak decking, which is in particularly good order. Another nice feature, she has this new mesh curtains blinds around the saloon windows. This makes a really nice feature, especially in the Mediterranean, stopping the sunlight coming in. As we look around the spray hood and make our way back, you got your classic Discovery Centre cockpit. All the lines lead in to this area. As I say, they're all extremely easy to sail, single-handed or with a full crew. On the stern of the boat, you've got the outboard for lifting, as well as your brand new internet antennae off the back. Again, really good storage, as well as the forward sail locker, which is particularly deep. You've got 2 good storage units here on the stern of the boat, as well as a smaller storage on the port side mid-deck. So looking down on the stern, again 2 little storage, and as well as access, especially when you're med mooring, it makes it nice and easy to get off the boat. So the standing rigging was only recently done, as well as the mainsail, so she has the electric in-mast main, with your main sheet coming back of the cockpit that runs into the winch on the port side. Another very nice feature this current owner added was these custom cockpit cushions, full-sided in the seating area as well as around the wheel as well. They are particularly comfortable. Looking down, you have the classic hot tub, which is particularly used, as well as a brand new B&G plotter, autopilot, wind, depth instruments. These have been recently done in 2022, which is a really nice feature to have on these boats. Looking down into the cockpit, lovely varnished table. Again, that is always normally fully covered. She as well has the bimini, so she can be well protected from the sun. As we head down into the cockpit, you've got your winch for the electric mast. Again, brand new B&G instruments. And just having one final look at that really nice cockpit space just before we head down below. And as we head down below, you have your Mark 1 layout on this Discovery. Again, really good visibility. You can easily seat up to sort of 8+ people around that saloon seating. And it also acts as a really good passage for making your way forward. Lots of grab holes to hand onto. As we make our way into the forward cabin, plenty of natural light. Each cabin has brand new mattresses that have just been added. All the upholstery and the woodwork, again, is in particularly good order for a boat of this age. Nice centerline double. And then you have your Pullman's cabin, again, brand new mattresses, nice natural light. Here it is just a carbon passerelle as well. And then your forward head, walk-in shower. Everything has been recently serviced, including the electric heads, which is a nice feature. All the plumbing has been serviced. Having a look at the bilges that were particularly clean as well, which is really nice to see. I think the wood choice in this boat has been very well thought about at build back in 2007. And I think it sort of really shows how well it's aged now. As you can imagine, plenty of storage. As you step up, it's currently been used as storage, but can be used as a pilot berth if needed, or converted back. Having a look away into that raised saloon, which is pretty standard of all the Discoveries. She's got the new leather upholstery that has just been redone, as well as at the chart table. As we swing round, you'll see a really nice big new B&G plotter. Again, this is accompanied with the autopilot, wind depth, icon, VHF, the internet, Wi-Fi, as well as an engine, re-engined control unit just there if needed. As we step down into the linear galley and make our way aft, she's got nice blue corian, which gives it a nice natural light. Twin sinks, plenty of space. Make our way into the master cabin. Another nice feature this owner added is a washing machine. It is a commercial washing machine, but it was a very clever feature. And in fact, he found it very useful when out sailing. As we make our way into the master cabin, again, brand new mattresses. The nice reading lights on the port to starboard. Again, the upholstery and all the woodwork, particularly good order. And as you can imagine, plenty of storage. As well as a handy ironing board that folds up. Into the master ensuite. So you have your walk-in shower, electric head. This also gives you access to your walk-in engine room. She's been serviced regularly as of recently in May 24. This is the same for the water maker. Any units or any servicing that is needed doing has been either replaced, checked. This current owner added a twin Raycon fuel filter system, alarm system, as well as relining the whole with fire retardant and sound dampening, and added a camera so you can see what's going on in the engine up in the cockpit. As we just make our way back, one final look at the really nice aft cabin, and that back through that galley. Got your 3-burner gas hob. Get plenty of storage in the bow, and there's particularly good storage for your important bottles. So we go into the fridge, good size fridge, full length, as well as freezer. As we step up into that, looking back round on 2007 Discovery 55 Seaquest.